If you're interested in seeing how I make my creamy potato salad, please stay tuned to the video. So here are all the ingredients that you'll need. You'll need your potatoes, your mixed vegetable, your bell pepper, eggs, and the eggs are optional, you guys. Onion, scallion, mustard, mayo, sweet relish, paprika, garlic powder, and salt and pepper to taste. So you're gonna wash and peel your potatoes and cut them up into cubes. So next you're gonna boil your potatoes until they're tender enough, but not too soft or mushy. So here in a separate pot, I'm just boiling my mixed veggies for a short time, and I will also be adding the eggs to this pot as well. Next, I'm going to finely chop my bell peppers, scallion, and onions into very small pieces. So next I will be doing the potato salad dressing. So here I am adding a half a cup of mayo. Next I will add 2 tablespoons of sweet relish to this, and also 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard. So my potatoes and mixed veggies are all done, and they have all cooled down significantly. So now it's time to make the potato salad. And guys, before you make the potato salad, you want to make sure that the potato, the veggies, and eggs have all cooled down significantly before you add the potato salad dressing. Because the dressing has mayo in it, you don't want the potatoes or the mixed veggies to be hot where it melts the mayonnaise. Okay, so keep that in mind. So next you're gonna add your chopped seasonings, your potato salad dressing, and also garlic, black pepper, salt, and paprika to taste. So there you have it, guys, my creamy potato salad. So I'm just gonna cover this with some saran wrap and I'm gonna put it in the fridge for it to chill until I'm ready to dish it out. So if you have stayed with me until the end of this video, thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.